Nanoplastics in the Biosphere, From Molecular Impact to Planetary Crisis Report. Authors, ALLATRA International Public Movement, in collaboration with Bolivian Catholic University, San Pablo, and the Creative Society International Project. Abstract. If Earth were keeping a diary, the last century would be inked in black with the title, The Plastic Age. From microscopic particles infiltrating cells of living organisms to colossal garbage patches drifting in the oceans, plastics have become etched into the planet's geological record. But at what cost? Every year, the world generates more than 400 million tons of plastic waste, with an estimated 11 million tons entering the world's oceans. To date, over 200 million tons have accumulated in marine environments. Surface water samples reveal that plastics now outweigh zooplankton by a factor of 6. If current trends continue, by 2050, the mass of plastics in the oceans will surpass the mass of all fish. Although plastics take hundreds or even thousands of years to degrade, they break down under the influence of waves, salt water, and ultraviolet radiation into tiny fragments known as micro and nanoplastics. These particles can travel thousands of miles through marine air and precipitation, crossing borders, continents, and oceans. They accumulate in forests and are found in our food and drinking water. Microplastics have been detected in some of the most remote locations on Earth, from the Mariana Trench to the summit of Mount Everest. This report presents a comprehensive analytical assessment of the impact of plastic pollution on the environment, human health, and the resilience of society's critical systems. It examines the behavior of micro and nanoplastics that carry static charges and toxic chemical compounds, and their effects on ecosystems. Particular attention is given to their role in ocean acidification, destabilization of food chains, and threats to biodiversity. The report suggests a hypothesis linking micro and nanoplastics to changes in water properties, which may accelerate ocean warming and intensify natural disasters. One of the most urgent and troubling issues discussed in this report is the impact of micro and nanoplastics, MNPs, on human health. Due to their minute size, these particles can bypass biological barriers, triggering oxidative stress, DNA damage, inflammatory responses, and cellular dysfunction. The report highlights a possible correlation between MNP exposure and the rising prevalence of neurodegenerative and neuropsychiatric disorders. It shows that exposure to MNPs during prenatal and postnatal development can impair cognitive function and mental health in children, posing a serious threat to future generations.